Hello, welcome to my channel. This is finishing a double mum. Now if you've watched my other videos, you've seen how I put most of this mum together. The only thing I didn't get recorded was me putting these sections together and attaching the mum flowers. But I did show attaching all the braids and chains and ribbons and making the mum backer. And now I'm just showing me finishing off decorating it. So I've got some custom cutouts that I cut out on my Scan and Cut 2. I've got an A and a couple of dancers, and I did these all in black and red glitter. And as you see on the A, I did red on top and black for the background. And then for the dancers, I switched that up where black was on top and red was on the bottom. I have a nice little trick there for you for attaching these custom cutouts. Since you're hot gluing it, you don't want to risk burning yourself, so if you just lay a pair of scissors on top of them, it gives it just enough weight to attach it to the flower without pushing it down into the petals. I try not to push these down into the petals because I think it looks better if they're more on top of the petals, but you don't want to bend them either. You don't want to tilt them or bend them because they can separate if you've got multiple layers. So you have to be very careful and attach them flat. And so if you just put scissors on top of it or something equal to that weight, it gives it just enough to attach it, and then as it cools down, then you can reach under with your fingers and make sure that the petals are on there good. I don't know if I showed all these little details, but here's the big bell, and I put some dancers on it. And just some little odd and end blingy like this round ornament. It's just a kind of a glittery holographic ornament. I think it's really cool. It just adds some different unique thing. And you can just see all the unique things that I attached on it. Tried to make it really unique and beautiful, and I think it turned out really, really well. I'm just moving this last dancer around to see where I think it looks best. And that's just a good little tip for you. Don't go ahead and attach it and then decide you don't like it, because then you're going to have a heck of a time trying to move it. It's almost impossible. So just move them around until you get the look that you really like the best. Now I'm just adding a pretty rhinestone to the center of that bow. Whenever I put a bow on the flower, I like to put some kind of rhinestone or maybe even like a football button or something like that for the center of the bow. I just think it finishes off the bow, and especially if the bow is right there on top and it's a focal point, you want to make sure that it's nice and finished looking. I'm just checking to make sure it's on there good. You always want to make sure that it's secure, whatever it is you're attaching to the flower. And I love the way it turned out. I think it turned out really well. I hope you guys liked this video and all the other videos I've made. Please share, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications, like, comment. Please be nice with your comments, and I hope to see you guys back again, and just let me know how I'm doing and what you'd like to see. Happy mum making, everyone. Don't forget to check out all my other playlists. You'll find all kinds of DIYs, wreath and floral arranging. I take old jelly jars and candle jars and redo them, chalky paint things. I've got all kinds of DIYs, so please check all that stuff out. Don't just watch my mum videos. I'd love to see you throughout the year. And if you post any of your mums on Pinterest, let me know. I'd like to see those. Thanks.